blocks are rough too. Atlantic sand, boys get snatched up, dudes get clapped up, the whole neighborhood trapped up. Your Satin Bred.
That was crazy though.
About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Hey, before I get into this vid, I want to ask y'all, can y'all hit me off with...
Spit it out.
Hit me off with 250 likes, please.
Oh no.
I'm a little tired, it's been a long ass day, but I'm never too tired to do what is it? Oh, sneaker story. Never too tired to do a sneaker story. All right. But anyway, you already know what it is. This video is about the Jordan 5 Satins. No, it's not about the sneak, but it is about a couple joints that you can wear with it. Shout out to Effective Clothing. You already know. Use my discount code WAVY and save 25%. But anyway, let's do a quick sneaker story while we're at it. I'm gonna get y'all the F out of here. Don't worry about it. This joint right here is gonna be about the Jordan 3s, the 2001 release of the Jordan 3s. I went through hell with these joints, man. All right, so first off, I was in Alabama for the summer. Word. Shout out to Dothan. East side. I'm from the west side here, my bad. So, yeah, shout out to the east side, man. 611 Price Street, you already know. Jordan 3s was about to drop. This had to have been like 2001, summer 2001. Yeah, summer 2001, because my gear was done, like gone. Like, I had just started, I was a freshman in college coming off at A&T. My gear was...
So it don't exist.
And I was really banking on the summer to like get my bitch back. You know what I'm saying? Cause I was about to go start a whole nother college. And you know what I'm saying? I wanted to be back on top.
You know what I'm saying? Your niggas back, man.
I must have been looking at the wrong calendar, cause it said that these joints are gonna drop this one weekend. I don't know if I've already told this story, so if I have, forgive me. But anyway, my cousin, I'm telling him, I'm like, yo, we gotta be up there early. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't really that crazy like with the hype back then, but you did have to be up there, you know? So he was like, yeah, man, people don't really be like that over sneaks up here, down here. So I was like,
we're going Saturday, and that's it.
I'm not gonna test that theory, pal. But anyway, so yeah, so he takes me to the mall. We there early. I go, I'm like, hell yeah. I'm like, yo, bring me them J's. You know what I'm saying? I'm already asking them all prior to this. I'm like, yo, them Jordans dropping this week? Yeah, them Jordans dropping, yeah. Man, boy come out and I could already see by the box. I was like, what? What kind of box is this? He opened them joints. It was them runners. If I could see a picture of that, I'll show it to you. But I was like, man, what the fuck is this? You know what I'm saying? I said, hell nah. Bro, I walked almost to their back, like only employees can be here. I walked in that part and pointed at their calendar on the wall. I was like, nah. And I was like, oh, that's next week. I was like, all right. So I went ahead, I did get those, but hold up, there's more. You know what I'm saying? There's more. So I told my mother to get them for me. So I was like, look, you go get them for me because you can get them on post. They're gonna be cheap anyway. Boom. So she did it. So I think I owed my mom's like 30, it was something like $34, $38, whatever the old Sprint bill was. I owe my mother that, and she would kind of like, you know, press me about them 34.
You gonna give me my money back?
I was like, man, you get it when you get it, like chill, you know?
Why don't you ever use that kind of language? If you gonna do something?
And if you remember that summer, I don't know if they're 15 or 16, I just wouldn't cop them again. I'm put the joint up there. It was either 15 or 16. I know they went 17, because 17 with the joints that I did get. Those came out, I had the white and red ones, so I was gonna have those two, and I think I had the white and red, I had the Jordan 3s, and I had a fresh pair of Constructs, you know? Ready for school, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm ready.
Let's be clear.
One day I'm upstairs, I'm chilling after, remind you, this is after I told my mother, like, you know, you fall back asking me about that money.
Boy, don't get smart with me, because I'll knock your ass in the middle of next week.
So I'm upstairs, I'm chilling, I'm looking at my boxes, my couple boxes. So I look, and I was like, I got kind of confused. I was like, what? So I started to look, and I'm like, damn, my 3s ain't here. So I'm looking. So I was like, yo, where my 3s? She ain't say that. Yo, she was like, I took them back. And I got my money that you owe me. I got the rest for you. Yo, I lost it. I was livid with her. It's Waterworks, trust me, it's Waterworks. I was like, yo, you came in my room like a thief in the night.
You live here? I don't think you do, B.
I couldn't get the wheels or something. And she was fronting with her joint. Of course she didn't give me the key to her. So I was like, So I had to call at the time, my homeboy. Matter of fact, my boy Derek know about this. Should have bought that joint up. I called my homeboy just to tell him, yo, man, please take me to the on post. I give whatever money, pause. I need to get my damn threes, bro, like for real. So he bring my other homeboy. We do shit like that. If we sense a nigga's like, we gonna make some comedy.
He gonna cry in the car.
I ain't talking. I'm focused, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the whip, focused. We get to the spot. And this is another thing that happened. I was doing lace swap back then. I don't do them joints no more. But I mean, if I have to, you know, if it's some fly, but I mean, my mother actually turned in the sneaks with the lace swap sneaks. I had the regular ones. So I tried to get, so what happened anyway, I was like, yo, do y'all got the joint 3? Like, yeah, cool. Though my pair, cause I looked and the lace swap was in there. So I tried to like dry hate on my mother. I was like, hey, y'all need to start watching like when people bring these back, because these are not the laces. I'm not gonna complain this time, but you know what I'm saying? These are not the laces, you know? But so got them, and I could already hear my boys like talking shit. They're like, oh, you wanna start joking around now.
I got time, cuz.
So I ended up getting them joints. I'm back, I'm good. You know, I think my eyes are clearing up a little bit, you know? So I remember I'm at the pizza spot. If anybody knows about On Post Pizza, they know, what's that? Damn, I forgot the name of the joint. Like Tony's, I don't know, it was some shit. That On Post Afies ass pizza. So it was a chick working there, and she was sitting like to the right. So she was with another coworker. So the lady was like, oh, boom, 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 my daughter something. I'm like, this is your work, daughter.
You know, so cut that. I'm just trying to get at her. Ain't she fine?
So girl was like, she was like, let me get your number. So I'm like, all right, hell yeah. So I'm like, man, yo, this is working out. You know what I'm saying? Today, you know? So I'm hyped. And she ain't called. Damn. I was like, damn, you know what I'm saying? She was kind of cute, yeah? So fast forward a year later, my other man hits me up, and he was like, damn, man, I'm sorry about if y'all hearing all this out there. And then we're gonna get to the unboxing, don't worry. My other man hits me up. It was like a Saturday. He was like, yo, I got these 2 chicks, but the one's trying to cancel out the other. I need you to come through. And I know my man, I know he ain't no bullshit he riding around with. So I like, all right, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Cool. So I had my mother's that Lincoln LS, that 2000 joint. Like I said, it's about 2001. It's had been 2001, 2002. I had that white joint, you know, pulling up.
In a pimped out Lincoln, leaning to the side so it looks like he's singing.
So I pull up and I look and I see this old girl in the back of the car. So I'm just shooting the shit for a second, but then my man was like, nah, it's cool. He was like, we about to just go home. So I like, cool. You know, boy, like about 2 days later, my man hit me up. He was like, yo, you remember them chicks that I was with? He's like, they want to ask you something. So I like, oh, all right. So both girls on the phone. So a girl was like, hey, how you doing? Me from the other night? Oh yeah, she was like, did you want my phone number?
Dying for the day to get skis. She caught the vapors.
Damn sure don't, not now. You know what I'm saying? Caught the vapors. You know what I'm saying? You caught the vapors, you know? Nah, bet, I don't want it. You know what I'm saying? But you was cute, but I don't want it, you know?
Who's next?
All right, you already know, like I said, got some joints to go with the Satin Fives from Effective Clothing. Okay, I was about to say, man. Boy, shit. Thought my magic was running out or something. No, man, magic ain't real. I'm just with y'all. Anyway, I hope that came out well. But yeah, man, shout out to Brian, yo. Always be holding me down. All right. Woo! Got that plump package. You know what I'm saying? Pause if you have to. Anyway, let me dig down here.
All day playing.
All right, boom. Like I said, these are for the Jordan 5, the satin joints. Let me know if y'all copping, and you already know. If they have a 40% sale going on, do not use my discount code. Say that 40. I'd never steer y'all in that direction. First shirt, bam, right here. We got that aerial attack. Let me get it right for you. All right, we good? All right, cool. Bam. First tee, we got that aerial attack. Next joint. And even if you don't get these joints, bread, anything bread, you know what you're saying? You stick to that color combo, you be good. Matchy, matchy. Next joint, 2 dope boys. Yo, yeah. This is my joint right here. This is my joint. I could already tell. I ain't even have to, I could tell by the pose. You know what I'm saying? Check the posture, boy. Rich like Mitch. You know what I'm saying? Mitch, DC. Look at me, DC.
Nah, man, I ain't going nowhere, man.
Next up, flight school, air combat. I think I'm gonna have to sell some gear, yo, word up. Like, I'm just not like this, like that come in, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? But I'm saying, like some of my joints, I'm like some bridge-ish. I'm gonna sell some bridge-ish.
Don't make me fix you.
For the low. Take it to dry cleaners too first. All right, boom. So, hoodie season, y'all already know. Bam. Aerial attack. Next up, I think it's the 2 dope boys if I'm not mistaken. Oh nah, damn. Dope boys of the year, I got another one. Okay, so yo, cool. As long as I please tell me I got the, okay, cool. All right, so I got this joint. Dope boys of the year. Another one. I already got this one. I think he was supposed to send the 2 dope boys.
I fucked up. Yeah, you fucked up.
This is the one I wanted, boy. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Bam. Got that rich like Mitch, boy. Hell yeah.
Man, Mitch, look at me.
I might rock this weekend. I might play with me. Pause. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about these joints. Like I said, link in the description. I also got a direct link to my, what's up, man? I also got a direct link to discount code.
So what?
Which I don't want you to use if they got 40%. Don't use my joint if they got 40%. It's damn crazy. I appreciate everybody. They know, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all rocking with the wave and I don't know the rest. But anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. But yo, I'd like to thank everybody that's been rocking with me. Everybody that's been commenting, liking, hell, disliking, because you got to click on my joint. It's some kind of clicks that be going on, you know? Salute to y'all, yeah? I'm doing another sneaker stories, but it's gonna be incorporated into my vlog. What's the joint? Oh yeah, I lost two connects. Tough, you know what I'm saying? That's tough right there. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Y'all already know. Oh, this joint by Effectus too, you know? Boom. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be, but that Snups.
Nah.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.